How to remove acrylic paint from clothing. Welcome to our quick guide on removing acrylic paint from clothes. Save your favorite outfits and some cash with these useful tips. First, the best defense against stains is prevention. Wear a painter's coat or suitable work clothes when working with paints to avoid any messes. If you do get paint on your clothes, act fast. Remove the paint while it's still wet for easier cleaning. Once dried, removal becomes tougher and might require stronger cleaning agents. Struggling with stubborn stains? Soak the garment in lukewarm water with green soap, or use isopropanol-based nail polish remover. For tough cases, acetone might be necessary, but be cautious as it can damage fabrics. Can't get rid of dry paint? Soak the affected area with a water and ammonia mixture, wait, then scrape off. Repeat if needed. Vinegar also works, but test it first as it might damage some fabrics. For home remedies, you can use a mixture of glycerine and warm water or soak the garment in a borax solution before washing. These gentle methods can effectively lift paint stains. Lastly, to avoid future paint mishaps on clothes, always wear appropriate attire when painting. If an accident happens, quick action is key to ensure easy removal.